Hello and welcome to this Custobar tutorial video. In this video I will cover how to add the Facebook ads integration to your Custobar environment and create lists there. To get started, I will go into my settings page and find the integrations button. From there I will scroll down until I see the Facebook ads type of integration and I will click add. This window will ask me my account ID, which can be found in your business manager by clicking on the menu in business settings, and then in your ad accounts in the accounts drop-down menu. And here, once you have highlighted the correct ad account, you can click directly on the ID to copy it to your clipboard. Now I can paste it in Custobar and click Authenticate. This will take me to the Custobar, to my Facebook account, where I can confirm my identity or log in if I'm not already logged in. Once it is verified, you can see that Custobar automatically creates a new integration with a new data target. Now you do not need to touch this integration anymore unless you want, of course, to remove it, or you can check the logs by clicking on this button. Now we are ready to start campaigning, which means that we will create lists in Facebook Business Manager through Custobar. The way to do that is create an action and choose push notification or push automation. A manual type will create the list or update an existing list one time. The automation will constantly refresh the list. So let's go ahead and create a manual type for this time. Click Next. You can put it in our test area. And we can choose our audience now or choose it later. Let's click Choose Later and Create. Now I can pick which data target I will choose for my push, and I will pick the Facebook match list. Here I can choose to either put in the audience ID of an existing audience to update it, or leave it blank to generate a new list. You can see that the target service is this data target for my Facebook integration. If I have several accounts, I will be able to choose from the several Facebook audience type. For now, let's click Save to create a new list. I can now edit my audience. For example, using marketing permission, set it as true. Now keep in mind it's important to have enough matches in your lists, so you will need to have a large enough audience. Once we're ready, we can click Save. And here we will choose to bypass marketing permission so that the number matches the amount in my audience. The reason for that is there's no differentiation yet from the push notification permission and the email marketing permission as far as this specific integration is concerned. Now that I'm ready, I could go ahead and activate. That's it. This is how simple it is to integrate Custobar and your Facebook Ads Business Manager. I hope this tutorial was informative, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at support@custobar.com. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.